Hi Year 3, so today we're going to be moving on to adding prefixes to the beginning of root words. So last week and the week before we focused on suffixes, and the suffix we focused on was shun, and this week we're going to be focusing on prefixes. So prefixes go at the front of a word, at the beginning of a word, okay? So today we're going to concentrate on the prefix re, which means again or for the second time. So let's start with the first words. The first word I've got here is arrange, and arrange is to put something together in a neat order. So if I had some flowers and I wanted to put them in a vase, I could arrange them to make them look neat and pretty, okay? So if I was to pop the prefix re on the beginning of arrange, it will change it to rearrange. So rearrange would mean I've got to do it again, okay? So I would put my flowers in my vase in a different way to rearrange them. So I'll do it again. The next one is decorate. So decorate is to make something look nice and pretty. So when I moved into my house, I decorated my living room. And now I've got a bit bored of it, so I might want to redecorate my living room. Okay, so I will do it again. The next one is cycle. So cycle is something that continuously happens, like a life cycle or a water cycle. So if I was to add re on the beginning of cycle, it changes it to recycle. Okay, so we know recycle means you use it over and over again, and you do it over and over again. The next one is appear, okay? So appear is something that you can see. So if something appears in front of you, you can see it. So if I was to add re in front of it, it will change it to reappear so you can see it over and over again, okay? So it was something that happens over again or for the second time. The next words I've got, the next 4 words, we're going to be adding re, the prefix re at the beginning of the word, but you can also add the suffix ing on the end of the word. So let's have a go. The first word is build. So if I was to add re in front of it, it changes to rebuild. So if I was to rebuild something again, and I could add the suffix ing to change it to rebuilding. The next one is play. If I was to add the suffix re in front of it, it changes it to replay. So if I was watching something, for example, and I missed a little bit, I might replay it so I can catch up on it. And then I could add the suffix ing, which changes it to replaying. The next one is heat. So if I was to heat my dinner in the microwave, and if when I got it out I realised it wasn't hot enough, I might reheat it. Okay, so I will do it again. And I could add my ing on to change it to reheating. And then the last one is do. So when you do something, and if I did something and I didn't like it or I didn't do it properly, I could redo it, and then I can add the suffix ing on it to make redoing. Okay, so today's focus was adding the prefix re, and re means again or for the second time. Good luck, Year 3.